Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Fluidart with Macrame Elegance. My daughter is serenading us on the piano in the background. So I hope you enjoy. We're going to do a bloom, painting over an older canvas. Let me tell you about my colors. Amsterdam Persian Rose, mint green aqua flash plus pearl mixed in. We have TLP Show Pony and Sangria. I need to stir that. Beautiful color. Then we have my favorite watermelon. Let's get some to stir that. Kind of thick, but we'll see. Beautiful color. Then we have Viridian Green by Lucas Krill. And I'm going to be using Oxide Black Cellactivator. Pillow paint is Essentials, Glidden's Essentials. Got it on my spinner. I think this is a 12 by 12 bloom pillow paint and canvas. Let's start off. Persian Rose. And our mint green. Ooh, bubbly. Next we have this little piggy Show Pony mixed with Sangria. Where'd the music go? My music stopped. Piano player. Thank you. Next is this little piggy watermelon. And then we have our Viridian Green. Not sure how much to put on for that. Okay. Cellactivator. World's smallest blow dryer. Okay, there we go. Now we'll just let it set up a little bit. Set up. Well, the black has to come to the middle. That's what I mean.
Oh.
I like the colors. It's very pretty.
Yeah, it's kind of like that one.
That's what it's supposed to be like.
Yeah.
Because I already made it before. I do like these colors. Let me get my skewer, and go in a little bit. Not too much. My musician left. My daughter.
What is
They no longer live here, but I love to hear when they come back to visit. I love to hear them play. I miss it.
What does vibrant mean?
Vibrant means, that's a good question. It's bright and bold. Bye, sweetie. Love you.
Bye.
Okay, so I think we're going to spin this out now. We scoot it over a little bit. Scoot my camera over. Okay, I'm going to do this slowly so I don't get paint everywhere. Maybe I should move these paints.
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, wait. Let me help it a little bit along. Whoop. All right. All right, now we're ready. I think it's even on this.
Hey, Lissy. 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 Lissy.
She's in the studio.
Oh, she in the class teaching?
Yeah.
That's pretty pretty. All right, my friends. Well, I love this color combination. And I'm going to get you down for a close-up. What do you think?
Good. Oh, Mommy.
Hold on, baby. I got to take a close-up of this now. But I see something I need to pop.
Look. Hey, all different kinds. Blue, purple, pink. Blue. Yeah.
All right, my friends, that is gorgeous. I'm really liking that. Anything else I need to pop?
Nope.
Nope. No. Oh, there's one little one. All right, my friends. Like I said, God bless you. I'll take you down for a close-up. So pretty, so pretty.
There it is. Huggy and Friends add-on.